My name is Chef Jay LaSoul. I'm down here at the 71st Street Marina, the Yacht Club, and tonight we're having an event here from Chef Jay LaSoul Catering Services. You can reach us at 216-673-7299, or you can go to our Facebook page, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and you can contact us. We have servers. We're open 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Saturdays and Sundays, we're also available, and we will make your event spectacular.
Kitchen with Chef James Thomas Garrett III.
Hello, Leon. You know I'm in my favorite place to be, somewhere where I can at least eat. Okay, and we are with Chef James Thomas Garrett. Do they call you Chef James or Chef Garrett?
My name is Chef Jay LaSoul.
What? Jay LaSoul?
Jay LaSoul.
Oh, that is okay. So that we'll call him that, Chef Jay LaSoul. Okay, what are you preparing for us? Because I know, just so you guys know, our after-show reception brunch, he's going to be cooking. So what you see here is what we're going to get to grub down on. What you got?
What we have here, we have a fruit crudité, little cheese, a little pineapples, and we have some strawberries. Upstairs, we have a lot of other berries. On the dinner plate, we have grilled chicken. It has a Tuscan-like turmeric flavor. Here we have some pearl potatoes, and it consists of Parmesan and turmeric cream Alfredo sauce, okay? Here we have the vegetable medley, and we garnished it with some tomato. And right here we have our sliders. There we go.
All right.
I'm gonna hit it with a little dash. Bang.
Oh.
There we go. Bang.
Yes. All right, everybody. Thank you, Chef Jay LaSoul.
There you go.
Thank you. That's our reception brunch, everybody. Sorry you can't have a piece of it, but it is going to be so good.